Let's have a look at getting units of sound working within Google Chrome. Now, units of sound requires Adobe Flash Player in order to work. And quite often when you open online.units of sound, you'll see this message here saying that Flash isn't installed. Now, Chrome does have Flash Player built in, we just simply need to enable it. If you go to the padlock, click on the padlock, go to Site Settings, locate Flash and change Flash to Allow. And while we're here, we need the microphone in order to record our voice when we're running the reading part of the program, so we'll switch that on at the same time and say Allow. If we now go back to the Units of Sound tab, you'll see there's a reload button appeared. Press reload and Units of Sound will quite happily run. One last check that's always worth doing every time before we run a lesson is just make sure that we also have permission to the microphone in Flash, and you'll see at the moment we don't. Press the Fix Now button, press Allow and Remember, press Close, and should we wish to do so we can also test recording, stop and playback, and then adjust our sound settings to get the right level of recording. Okay, we can now go to Units of Sound, just click the Close button and we can log in with our student ID and password and run our lessons. Now there is one issue in as much that each time we come back into Google Chrome and Units of Sound we will be asked the same question. The system does not remember the settings, so we'd have to click on the padlock and reset our Allow. If you're in a school, these can be controlled by the IT department and they can add the necessary policies, and if they contact our support department we'll provide the necessary information. If it's on your own computer, we can also provide this registry setting file which will put the necessary permanent allows into the computer registry and set the necessary policies. You just simply download the file, you run it, and it will add the registry settings and policy settings, and then every time you run Google or Chrome it will automatically allow access to Flash and to the microphone. If you need this file, please contact Units of Sound support and we'll provide you with the necessary file. Thank you very much.